Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my page, My Angel, My Guidance. And today I just got a guidance to make a pick a card reading for those people who are a bit confused about their life right now and they are seeking some answers from universe. So this pick a card reading is based on what universe wants to tell you. You can see there are the three piles: pile number 1, pile number 2, and pile number 3. So to go deep down in your heart space, find a place, sit, meditate upon these angels and just ask them that what is the best message they are holding for you. They help you to guide and pick the best slot for you. So let's get started. Those who have picked the pile number 1, let's see what the cards holds for you. Nutrition, workshops and seminars, and business venture. Business venture card is giving me a thought that if you have any kind of a new business idea in your mind, or you are thinking of starting your own business, go for it. If few of them, as it's a collective reading, maybe few of you guys are looking for a new job, a job change, or any other career opportunity, the universe wants to tell you just focus and you will get the signs very soon. Second card, as you can see, it's a workshops and seminars. So it's quite possible that you may attend some workshops and seminars related to spirituality, related to a learning, related to something new which will be going to help you in your career. So if you are you have some time, look out, go for some seminars, attend some seminars. It might be going to help you in future. Third card, nutrition. So just just take care of your dietary and inputs. Just take care of your dietary input. Just have a healthy diet. There's nothing to worry about. It is just to nourish yourself, to give yourself and keep yourself in a high vibrational energy. It is mandatory to eat a healthy diet. Go for fresh fruits in a healthy diet. So this was a message for you all. I hope you got some clarity. For those who have chosen the pile number 2, let's see what the universe wants to tell you. Creative expression. Have you asked your angels to help with this? Practice, practice and practice. So those who are people, they have started something new, or in this time, you can go for enhancing your skills in any sort of skills. Okay, look towards to increase your confidence, look towards something which is going to help you in your career. And if you have learned something new, this is the time to focus on doing more and more practice. Go for practice, as we all know that practice makes a man perfect. So it is a time to to polish your skills, to enhance your skills. Second card is saying, have you asked angels for help with this? If you are facing any kind of issue, it can be related to your health, it can be related to your career, it can be related to your love life, ask for the divine intervention of angels. Angels always wait for our free will, so you need to ask for angels to do their divine intervention to to help you out whatever the situation you are going through. Creative expression. You have to enhance your skill. As the first card you can resonate was a practice, practice and practice. So you can also work on doing the things in a very creative way to express whatever you want to express, whatever you want to say. You can go for something very creative. Can try the creative fields as well. Many of you can try the creative fields as well. Whatever you are going to do right now, try to do something with creativity. It might going to help you. I hope you got some clarity. Let's see what the pile number 3 holds the message. Your wish is granted. Beautiful card. Heart chakra. Energy healing. Maybe you're waiting something, any kind of good news, or there is any wish you are asking from the universe. So it is the time what you have asked for is coming true. So just don't let your faith down. Don't let your trust down. Just ask universe that I know it is on the way, and I know you will watch. You'll guide me to the way where my wish will be granted. Second card is the heart chakra. Sometimes we are looking for the answers outside, but the answers are within us only. And it's also giving me an energy that you have blocked your heart chakra. You might have to forgive somebody, or you might have to work on yourself to forgiving yourself, or you might have to open your heart chakra to to make a two-way communication for an unconditional love. Flow the unconditional love in the universe, and it will return you many folds. Energy healing, as the previous card says that you need a healing in your heart chakra. You need to open your heart chakra, so you can go for some energy work. You can do some kind of meditation related to your chakras, align your chakras, and definitely whatever the energy alignment you are looking for, you will definitely going to get that. I hope you got some clarity. Thank you so much for watching my videos.